Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should be able to see the diesel filter on the upper left of the engine compartment. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the 3 nuts on the metal filter protection plate. Then remove it. Disconnect the filter's electrical wiring by pressing and pulling on the grey tab. Place a good amount of paper towel under the filter to catch the diesel that will run out. You now need to disconnect the hoses. To disconnect the first hose, press the 2 white-coloured parts on both sides of the hose to unclip it. Repeat this step for the second hose. You can use pliers to do this. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the hose from its plastic guide, then remove the hose. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the screw holding the filter ring. Remove the filter. Place the filter into a container to collect the liquid underneath. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
Finish unscrewing the screw from the filter ring. Then remove it. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Remove the caps on the hoses. Then roughly screw the ring back on. In order to reinstall the filter correctly, make sure that the lug on the ring is in contact with the lug on the filter. Finish screwing the ring back on. Put the filter back in place. Reconnect the first hose to its housing. Reconnect both hoses. Then reconnect the power connector. Put the metal protection plate back on the filter. Then screw the 3 nuts back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.